Hello everyone, so today new review, 91mm knife, the SPARTAN LITE, so 1.7804.T, so usual box. So we have, for the thickness, 20.5mm, it weighs 83 grams, it has 15 functions, and I'll talk about the parts at the end, of course. So I'll see you in 10 seconds for the review. So, like Huntsman Lite, we take a Spartan and we add the Phillips and the light, the LED light. So what do we have? We have the small blade, we have large blade, then we have bottle opener, 90 degrees position in line, large flat screwdriver, bottle opener, and wire bender stripper, and can opener with the little flathead screwdriver. And as I said, so the Phillips, two positions, 90 degrees in line. That's a really great tool. I like it. And the light, so not a big light, but it's a good little light. On the other side, we have the corkscrew, the mini screwdriver, and the reamer. The keyring, of course, the toothpick, and tweezers. And that's it. So to talk about this knife, what I think about it, for using it, I don't really like it because the simple reason is I really need scissors. I always use the scissors, and this one doesn't have. For the price, it's Victorinox price, it's 51 euros. So I would say it's a bit expensive. So yeah, it's a bit expensive, I would say, for what it is. It's more expensive than the Huntsman, for example. It's a bit thick with this layer. Not for much. If you compare with my custom knife, it's about the same thickness. It's about the same. It's about the same thickness. And here I have also the screwdriver, magnifying glass. I have the scissors. I have the saw. I have the combo. I think it's much better, at least for me. I have the hook with the file, etc. So much better for me. Yes. Of course, I got it for the collection. For the collection, I think it's a beautiful knife. Of course, it's discontinued as of 2021, and that's it. Yes, not really a good knife for me. It can be, I think, for some of you, but not for me, and I think it's a bit expensive for what it is. I did a review about the new light and the old light, so if you want to have a look, it's in the Huntsman Lite video. But yes, a bit expensive for the price, I think. So I think I said everything. So as always, don't forget to subscribe, see what you think about it. Maybe you think it's a good one. If you have questions, in the comment section, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. So be safe, stay healthy, and see you next time. Bye-bye.
You stole my heart of gold.